Hello students, how are you all? After a little gap, welcome back to Science Innovators. So, here are few lab apparatus which we are going to use in our science lab for doing activities and experiments. So, some of you may not be knowing how we are going to use them and the name of this lab apparatus. Now we'll see each one of them, what do you call that apparatus and also the usage. See, firstly, we go with the glassware. Here you can see different lab apparatus are present on this table. So firstly, I'll tell you each one of them. So here comes the beaker. Here you can see this is the glass beaker of different sizes. We can find this glass beaker of different sizes. Here you can see the volume, measuring of the volume on this. It's of 500 ml capacity. So here you can see the scale 100, 200, 300 and 400. So here up till 500. This is the capacity of 500 ml. Next, this will be available in different sizes as per our usage. So here also you can see this small beaker. This is of just 250 ml. So these are called as glass beakers. Next we'll see the conical flask. This is the conical flask. This is also of different capacities. Here it is 250 ml capacity and one more small one conical flask. This is of 100 ml capacity. Next we'll see the volumetric flask. This is called as the volumetric flask. You can see a round bottom with a narrow stem. This can also be called as the standard flask. Next comes this is the glass funnel. For filtering purpose or separating, we are going to use this flask. Glass funnel. This is glass funnel. Next, here is the watch glass. This is called as the watch glass. Next, here is the measuring cylinder. This is the measuring cylinder for measuring the liquids of different sizes. They will be available. So you can see the scale on this. This is the capacity of 500 ml. This is the capacity of 100 ml. So you can see the graduations on this measuring cylinder, or you can simply call it as a measuring jar. Next, this is called as the test tube stand, where you can hold the test tubes. So here is the big one. This is called as the boiling tube. This is called as the boiling tube. Next, here you can see the small one. This is called as the test tube. And next, coming to a dropper, where you can take the liquid from any bottle and drop it in the activity like test tubes or any beakers. So this is called as the dropper. Next comes the glass rod. This is called as the glass rod. And this is called as the delivery tube. Delivery tube. And here you can see the cork. This is used for closing the any activity we are doing. Then we can close that bottle with this cork. It is called as the rubber cork. And here it is this called as a water bottle. For doing the activities we need some water. So we will be carrying water in this water bottle so that we can easily dispense water from this how much ever we wanted. And next, here comes the tripod stand. This is called as the tripod stand. If you want to heat any activity or any substance in an activity, so we can use the Bunsen burner, or simply we can use this spirit lamp. This is called as the spirit lamp, where you can pour the spirit in this inside, and with a wick over here you can put it here, so that with the flame here we can put the substance which we want to heat it, and with the help of this wire gauze, here is a wire gauze. So if we need a little flame, then we can use this wire gauze and heat that substance whichever we want to heat. So next one comes this is the petri dish. This is called as the petri dish. And next here is the test tube holder. When we are heating any substance in a test tube, so to hold the test tube we need a holder. So this is the test tube holder. And here comes this is the tongs, so that we can hold any substance which is hot like this. So this is the tongs. And next here comes the different magnets. See here, and coming before to the magnets, we'll see this. This is the microscopic slide, where we put any substance which we want to observe in a microscope, under the microscope. So this is called as a microscopic slide. So on this, when we put the substance on this microscopic slide, it will be covered with a cover slip. This is the cover slip, and we observe any substance under the microscope. Next we'll see the thermometers. So this is the laboratory thermometer. This is the laboratory thermometer. So here you can see the markings, graduations, scale on this thermometer. It is starting from -10 to 110. So here you can see the scale on the thermometer. This is the laboratory thermometer. And next you can see the clinical thermometer. This is the clinical thermometer. Next, coming to magnets. So we know that we have different shapes of magnets. So here comes the bar magnet. This is the bar magnet, and this one is the horseshoe magnet. This is also bar magnet, and this is the ring magnet. Next, here this is the magnetic compass. So with the help of this we can find the directions of a particular place. So this is the magnetic compass. And next is this is a magnifying lens, where you can see the small sized object as a big one or larger. And next here this is the brush, where you can clean the apparatus after completing your activity. Next we'll see this is the spring balance. Spring balance. Here these are the weights where we use for the spring balance to know the weight of any this activity. It is seen in the force and friction lesson. Next, here is the cell. This is the cell, where a cell has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal, and this is the metal cap and a sheet around it. So this is a cell. If two or more cells join together, then it becomes the battery. This is the bulb in our electricity lesson and simple circuits lesson. I'll show you how to use all these things and prepare a circuit. And next here, this is the filter paper. Okay students, in the next video we are going to see some more apparatus which we are going to use in our science lab. Thank you for watching.